In this video, I'll show you how to hide friend tab liked reels on Instagram. So Instagram has introduced a pretty new feature where you can actually see your friend tab liked reels at the top of the video. Now for any reason, if you want to hide this from your friends tab, then here's how you can actually do it. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to hide the friends tab like reels, you just need to open up the Instagram application from your Android or iPhone, and from the Instagram homepage, go ahead and tap on this profile button at the bottom right, and then tap on this three dot line at the top right. And from the settings and activity, just need to scroll down, and under the who can see your content, you'll get to see the new option has been added, activity in friends tab. You just need to tap on this, and inside this one, it should be selected with the followers you follow back. Here it says who can see your like and comments on the reels in the friends tab. So if you select no one, from now, no one can see you on the friends tab on the Instagram account. And this is how you actually can do this process. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.